Okay, so today we're going to be factoring some trinomials. So the first one we're going to work with, we'll call this A. We're going to do x squared minus 8x plus 7. Okay, so what we're going to set up is our little table here on the right, and we're going to have factors of, and remember it's always this third term, factors of 7. And then on the other side, we're going to do the sum of those factors. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's think of some factors that we could get to positive 7. Okay, so we could have 1 and 7. Since 7 is a prime number, that's kind of all we can do, except we could also do negative 1 and negative 7, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So now we're going to do the sum of these two. So we have a sum for 1 and 7 of 8, and a sum of negative 1 plus negative 7 as negative 8. Now what we need to do is pick a factor that's going to give us 7. So either one of this one here or this one. And it also has to have a sum of negative 8, which is our middle term. So we can see here that there's only one option, and that's going to be this line right here, because we have something that multiplies together to give us positive 7 and a sum that gives us negative 8 to match our middle term. So that means we're going to have x, and we take minus 1. Then we're going to do x and take our 7 from here, minus 7. That's all you have to do. So let's do another example really quick. We're going to call this a squared plus 7a minus 18. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to do our factors of negative 18. And then on the other side, we're doing our sum. Okay, so let's start finding factors. So we're going to have negative 1 and positive 18. We can also do the reverse, which is 1 and negative 18. We can do negative 2 and positive 9, and the same we can do 2 and negative 9. We also have the option of doing negative 3 and 6, or doing positive 3 and negative 6. Now let's start adding some sums up here. We'll just draw some nice lines to divide them, keep it nice and neat. Okay, so negative 1 plus 18 is going to give us 17. 1 plus negative 18 is going to give us negative 17. Negative 2 and 9 is going to give us 7. 2 and negative 9 is going to give us negative 7. Negative 3 and 6 is going to give us positive 3. And 3 and negative 6 will give us negative 3. And then from here, we just have to find which of these factors that gets us to negative 18 is going to get us to a sum of positive 7. So if we look down our list here, we can see that this row right here is going to give us what we need. Okay, so all we're going to do is bring our a here. We have negative 2, and have another a, and that's going to be positive 9. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.